The moonlight feels gentler still when I behold His grace. In the prophet's love, my trembling heart finds a sacred place. All sorrows of this fleeting world fade when His name I say. At Muhammad every pain dissolves like dawn erasing gray.